Indiana Pacers have won 11 of the last 12 times that they met with the Charlotte Bobcats. Paul George getting warmed up for this one. Charlotte, though, coming off a win against Boston, snapping the Celtics' 7-game winning streak. Kemba Walker on the drive. He had 8 in the first quarter. Paul George chasing down the loose ball. And then the stutter step for the lefty slam. George had 11 on 4 of 5 shooting in the first quarter. 7 seconds left in the frame. Byron Mullins for 3. That's good. 13 in the first half of the big fella. Indiana led by 1 after the first. Still close in the second. Ben Gordon on the ball fake, steps inside the arc and knocks down a jumper. Charlotte on top 36-34. Tyler Hansbrough inserted into the starting lineup on Wednesday, filling in for the injured David West. Out with a scratched eye, Hansbrough gets the steal and the slam. He had 15 in the first half. Indiana led 49-46 at intermission. Pacers trying to pull away in the third. It's George on the jumper. 55-50 in favor of the home squad. And it's more from Hansbrough. George Hill feeds him for the slam. 19 points, ties a season high for Hansbrough. Also had 10 rebounds. Pacers in control in the fourth. Hill, 3 for 3 from beyond the arc. One of 6 Pacers in double figures. The lead balloons to 15. And Paul George, he's on a mission, trying to get himself a triple-double. He finds Jeff Pendergraft for his 10th assist of the ball game. And now he needs just 1 more rebound. And off the miss, it tips right to George. He gets the rebound in the triple-double, but he is not done there. Goes coast to coast for the lay-in and the foul. How about this? 23 points, 12 rebounds, and 12 assists for the All-Star. The Pacers win 101-77, winning big over the Bobcats.